Have you changed her diaper?
I have changed the diaper, but I am more of a master in burping and putting her to sleep.
That means you're such a lovely husband. I mean, like, look at it. Seth can stay one night with me in the hospital.
I don't think Alia would say that, but I would like to consider I'm a good husband. So see how much Jay and Taimur get tricked. मेरे तो कोई photos ही नहीं ले रहा. Like I got bullied. I got.
But bullied? Why would you get bullied? How are you so sensible? I think prepared. ये answers prepare करके आया.
मुझे अब ये question ही नहीं पता था.
Women actors shouldn't be taller than their male actors.
The three Khans aren't that tall.
Yeah.
And they work with all actresses. Bebo, you and me have this bad reputation. I think it's because of Karan. He got very like lonely and jealous because everybody was blaming him.
Dabur Vita What Women Want. Powered by Tirupati Edible Oils on Mirchi Plus.
Hello and welcome to Dabur Vita What Women Want on Mirchi Plus. It's been a while, hasn't it? कोविड से बच के दुनिया हुई नॉर्मल, खुली सारी इंडस्ट्रीज, सारी दुकान और मेरी फैमिली में भी आया एक नया मेहमान. फाइनली वी आर हियर किक स्टार्टिंग सीजन 4. क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि आप लोगों को कितना पसंद है व्हेन आई इनवाइट माय फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली ऑन दिस शो. आज मैंने एक ऐसे रॉक स्टार को बुलाया है जो बचपन में बहुत तमाशा करता था और बड़े होकर एक बहुत बड़ा मक्कार बन गया. Please welcome the finest actor of our generation, Ranbir Kapoor. Hello! I'm so happy.
Thank you for inviting me to your show. This is the only thing I was excited about.
Really?
Doing in the marketing of this film is to be on the couch with you.
Oh my God!
But unfortunately, we only meet on couches.
Yeah, I mean like.
कभी film तो करती नहीं है.
अरे आप इतने कम फिल्में करते हो. It will be my honor to be working with Ranbir Kapoor in a frame.
What an actress.
That's true. Exactly. First things first, I want to talk about all the big events that have happened in the last 1 year. आपने शादी की, आप एक dad बन गए. How has it been this last year?
I think you've been ahead in the race where this is concerned because you've already seen everything, the work that you've done, the family life. There is nothing beyond this. I had the imagination कि कैसा होगा. Finally, when my daughter's born. But I could never imagine it because my imagination didn't have any control.
Yeah.
But I think the day Raha was born, it just completely changed everything. I would like to believe that it's a blessing and it's a gift.
Absolutely amazing. So Chintu uncle's parenting style, I remember, is very, very different. So आप कभी उनसे inspiration लेते हो, like with his style? What are the similarities and the differences?
I think with Papa and I guess with Dabu uncle also, the kind of parenting style they had was a little distant. Of course, they believed in family values a lot. They wanted the entire family to always be together. They were strict. They were not in buddy terms. You could sit and just chat about your life. Family values that he's passed on, to me and my sister. Mm-hmm. I think that's something that I would like to instill in my daughter also.
All right, so coming to your new film, Tu Jhooti Main Makkar, it's all about lies and dishonesty. So obviously, as honest as you can be on this couch with me, आपने अपनी लाइफ में कितनी झूठ और कितने मकारी की है?
मैंने बहुत किया होगा बचपन में and when I was
अपने relationships
में दोस्तों के साथ सबके साथ मैंने बहुत किया होगा. But I guess in as you get older आप ये बात भी आपको ये सीख मिलती है कि in relationships the more honest you are, the more open you are with your partner, I think your relationship goes deeper, it becomes more meaningful.
अच्छा, which is quite like, unlike because personally, I don't know. Huh? You've not given us any personal instance of you being.
आपने कितना बोला होगा?
Well, it's not about me. You do get a chance to ask me a question in the end.
Okay.
Okay, now it's game time. This game is called Dabur Vita 7 Stars of Parenting. So out of 1 to 7 stars, you have to answer the questions I'm going to ask you. And so first is sleepless nights.
We've had some good amount of help at home, the first 2 months at least. They were a little sleepless, but I think when you have the excitement of your first child, it's the excitement that even if the baby does choo, like even when you're sleeping in bed and she's in between us, a little movement also, you're so alert in deep sleep also, aap ud jate ho and you kind of
like constantly checking like, is the baby breathing?
Yeah, first 2 months I was always putting my finger under her nose, because she's so quiet. But yeah, I don't, like even if you don't get sleep, it's a very positive sacrifice.
So you're saying that then it's like 7 stars.
Yeah, 7 stars.
7 stars.
Yeah.
Holding your baby for the first time, obviously.
Oof, 7,000 stars.
7,000 stars.
That's too much.
Yeah.
And I got the opportunity to hold her at the moment that she was born, after umbilical cord was cut. And that moment, I guess, will be etched as a very big core memory in my life. I'll never be able to forget that.
Oh my God, how lovely.
Tell me, when
Ranveer.
Taimur was born,
Hmm.
did you do that for skin to skin where they...
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course. We have to in the OT theatre. I think sare jo mothers hai, the first time like a baby is born, that mother's touch has to be given.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
say that it has
Yeah,
to be
yeah.
put
And even
on
to
your mother's
witness
chest.
that with Alia and her, I think that was also such a magical moment because she was crying, and the moment that she came on her chest and her neck,
Yeah, it
it was just very magical to watch.
Oh my God. And I hope you've recorded all this.
I didn't record that moment. I had a picture, but I really wanted to be present as to what it was.
Exactly. Rather than focus. I know Saif always fires me, but fine. Diaper changes. Have you changed her diaper?
I have changed the diaper, but I am more of a master in burping and putting her to sleep.
So the
It's
burping, like the proper, you
proper,
know how
proper.
to put the
Arey,
burp.
like in 20 seconds, I can make a burp.
Oh God.
Like I'm that good.
So diaper changes, I think I'm...
I would say 1, burping 7, sleeping 7,000.
Okay, so hypothetically, if Raha caught a cold in school, like you, I think, go completely crazy. I feel you're that kind now. You're
I
in that
think
zone.
Alia is the overstressed parent. She's
Oh, she
someone,
is.
yeah, she is very like stressful. So I will have to be that little bit of a calming factor. And I feel that, yeah, you know, sometimes we are a little overprotective about children. Ki ye na karo, ye karo, don't meet people, you know. But I feel like the more you are easy with it, you know, a human being adapts. A human being's immunity is also gets better by,
Yeah,
you know, as they
exactly.
grow
I think
older.
so.
So we should not be so this thing, you know, so overprotective.
Yeah.
Then I think, you know, the baby will suffer in the future. So I'm a chill dad, I feel.
So how many stars would that be?
I would say I would be 1, but Alia would be 7. So right now, I also wanted to ask you, like, you've taken Jahan for your shoot in London when you went. What was that experience like? Like, did you go with Dabbo Uncle, Babita Auntie when you were that age?
This question can only be asked at the last segment.
Why? I'll forget these questions. I want to know.
You get only one question to
No, but
ask
what was
in
that
the end.
experience of Jay being around you? Because I know you're extremely close to Jay.
Yeah.
Like, he's your
Yeah.
favorite. Is he your favorite?
I wouldn't say favorite, but I think that, I mean, of course, both.
A stronger connect you have with Jay?
No, I can't say that.
Saif told me a great story. Saif said when Taimur comes from school, first he says, Abba kahan hai? So the person answers. Then he says, Jay kahan hai? Then the person answers. Then he asks, Ammi kahan hai?
Yeah. He's like, okay, now
number
what's
3.
happening? Whatever. That's so mean, but whatever. I love both my kids equally. So labor room experience. I think 7 stars. Na?
Yeah, I was very good. Like, I was with her, you know, I had taken a sabbatical from work for like 2-3 months prior to the delivery. You know, I stayed in the hospital for a week with her.
That means you're such a lovely husband. I mean, like, look at it. Saif can stay one night with me in the hospital.
I don't think Alia would say that, but I would like to consider I'm a good husband.
What about pregnancy news?
It was delightful. There was no other emotion except excitement.
So 7 stars.
7 stars.
Being a dad.
7 stars.
I think you were just absolutely fantastic. So before you put it down, we have to do a
Dabur Vita cheers.
a Dabur Vita cheers. So Ranveer, I saw your new film, Tu Jhooti Main Makar, and I thought it was absolutely fabulous. Your space of romantic comedy is, I mean, people love to see you, you know, in this. And I want to just ask you that this generation, relationships are so short-lived. So what do you have to say about that?
Yeah, love has no rule. You know, I mean, you can't say what's right and wrong. Happiness is real only when it's shared. Otherwise, you know, you just go on with your life trying to chase your goals, trying to chase an ambition. And before you know it, you know, you don't have anybody to share it with. So there is no hard and fast rule that you have to be married, you have to have children, you can be in open relationships, you can be in live-in relationships, you can be in any kind of relationships, as long as, you know, you're honest to yourself, you're honest to your partner, and that's it. There's no rule.
You've been very family-driven. A lot of people kind of don't know this about you, Ranveer.
I think, Bebo, it's also the influences that we had from our family, because our family's been so close, and, you know, and I would give a lot of credit to our dadi, because she's someone who really held the family close together.
Yeah, in whatever situation, you know.
Yeah, and you know, every Sunday getting the whole family together. I saw my father, how close he was to his brothers and sisters. Just seeing that, I think that kind of influences you.
Yeah,
and,
it
you
is
know,
like...
You also get to know, okay, this is a happy life, because they were happy people when they were together. So yeah, I've always aspired to have a family life, and very happy that it's complete now.
Okay, so now it's time for some games. And the first game it's called Good Taste Shows by Ika, Italian Wood Finishes.
Oh.
So मैं तुम्हें कुछ photos दिखाऊंगी और you just have to basically answer in good taste or bad taste.
Okay.
Ika by Italian Wood Finishes का पहला photo है.
I have to guess who it is? I know it's Ranveer Singh.
You don't have to guess
Okay.
who it is, but you have to say, was this in good taste or bad
I
taste?
think it's very good taste. I think there are very few people who can carry off
This
an
attire.
attire, and I think he really pulled it off well.
So Ranveer Singh really has good taste.
for sure.
Okay, fine. So Ranbir Kapoor has given his verdict on that.
Dal chawal. greatest taste. से better क्या है? And also there's pyaz
There's
and mirchi and papad and
Yeah.
nimbu. मतलब this is a
But you like this meal
Love it.
or you're more into paya?
yeah, but I know that
You like dal chawal, obviously.
yeah, but I know the health hazards of paya. Like yeah, we've seen that within our family.
Yeah,
So something like this is
This is
awesome.
I love
What's
it.
your favorite home food, Bebo?
Mine is also I love khichdi and achar.
Khichdi and achar.
So it's a version of dal
What
chawal.
kind of achar?
Both Saif and me love aam and neembu ka achar.
So your favorite cuisine is घर का खाना.
Yeah.
Nothing
Indian
beats.
food. जैसे कि हमारे family में है कि we love Chinese food. I'm not so into Chinese.
This actually, I know the backstory of it. He was instigating Zidane. He said something about his mother, and Zidane, being hot-headed, he headbutted him in the World Cup. So I would say it's bad taste because he broke the conduct of football and sportsmanship. But I do have empathy towards Zidane, the fact that he did it. But I would say
You
bad
can't
taste.
do this. Absolutely correct. See, Ranbir is a good guy. Huh?
Of course. Oof, ये तो utmost favorite. जब भी मैं film city में shoot करता हूँ, but you know, honestly, I am a bigger fan of bhajia pav than vada pav.
Really?
I like the aloo bhajia. I put 5-6 of them. You
हाँ.
put that chutney, everything, but you put 5-6 aloo bhajia and also kanda bhajia, and with pav, I prefer that to vada pav. So I would still say great taste. I mean,
Yeah,
this
very
is
good
our
taste.
food of our
Even school days.
yeah,
no?
yeah, everything. ठीक है, ये आप हो?
I wish. I think you know who this person is.
Is it Urfi?
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of this kind of fashion, but I believe that we are living in a world today that if you're comfortable in your
Good
skin, you
taste,
can
bad taste, Ranbir.
Okay, bad taste.
Now we have this last one.
Is this PC?
Yes.
You know everything, huh?
But I just want to know, I just want to just inform everyone कि जैसे आप सब देख रहे हैं कि रणबीर को सब पता है. He has answered
Yeah.
everything without seeing these pictures,
Arre.
just acting, pretending that he's
PC is
not
awesome.
on Insta.
So definitely good taste. I think she has a lot of carriage and she pulls it off. And because she has this
Yeah.
self-confidence.
Yeah,
And if you
absolutely.
have self-confidence, you can pull off anything. So I would say great taste.
Great taste. Perfect. Now a game of choices. कुछ choices दूंगी and basically you have to decide which of the two choices you prefer. Revenge after breaking up or high road?
Revenge after breaking up, or high road for sure. Like, you know, after you break up and जब दो लोगों का रिश्ता टूटता है, there is a lot of tension and there's a lot of negativity, and obviously one person is always more hurt than the other person. But revenge से कुछ मिलता नहीं है unless that person has really intentionally hurt you and kind of dicked you over. Then you know it makes sense. But I haven't taken revenge on anyone, so high road
Yeah,
is.
that's yeah.
What about you?
No, I'm always the high road.
Yeah, I know that.
I'm not interested in.
Yeah.
It's a negative emotion.
Yeah.
Live-in relationship या शादी?
I believe in both. You know, I feel live-in relationship, there's nothing wrong in it. Me and Alia were in a live-in relationship before we got married. And it very naturally progressed towards marriage, and especially during COVID. You know, those 2-3 years.
Yeah.
And also the fact that my father was very unwell during that period also got us very close together. Yeah.
Strange. Even Saif and me
Yeah.
were met like that.
Yeah. So I'm for both of them. You know, live-in and shadi.
Stay up and fight with Alia or sleep over it?
I'm the sleep over it kind of a guy. कि, you know, let's just sleep over it and pick it up in the morning, because by then, see, क्या होता है कि when a couple fights, sometimes to hurt the other person, a lot of things are said for effect, and you don't really mean it, and the other person thinks that you're coming from a place of something, so that person takes those 3-4 words and it stays
Yeah,
with that
stays with
person, and then you have to clarify it. So it always comes in the heat of the moment. So I always believe that, you know, if there is a fight happening, just kind of take some space.
How are you so sensible? I think prepared. ये answers prepare करके आया.
मुझे अब ये question ही नहीं पता था. But wait, let me finish my answer. So I feel that space is great, and also Alia is somebody, she's a lawyer. So if she feels that she is wrong, she will not let go till she makes a point clear. And I'm the guy who has no ego. I don't have self-respect. Also, I'm very happy saying sorry, even if I'm in the right or wrong. But I like that space. I like the concept of space.
100 crore का box office या critically
100
acclaimed
crore
film?
ka box office, no. I mean, you know, when you're younger, you want to do films for yourself to kind of showcase your acting skill and all of that. But they were those kind of films, like I can speak for myself, like if I do a Wake Up Sid or say a Barfi and all, that's fine. But when you do a film where a large number of audience sees it and your country sees it, we got such a diverse audience, and if you can make everybody happy, there is no greater joy than that. So box office success over anything.
The next one is the inclusivity game. तो मैं कुछ statements दूंगी और तुम्हें thumbs up या thumbs down में जवाब देना पड़ेगा. Equal pay for male and female actors.
Of course.
All for it.
Yeah, for sure.
Being fair-skinned makes you more confident.
I don't think so.
An artist's background defines his or her talent.
You mean from the family they come from? Absolutely not. I mean, if you go and see in our industry, most of the biggest actors, actresses, directors are somebody who haven't come from film families.
Women actors shouldn't be taller than their male actors.
I mean, that's rubbish. They could be tall, they could be short, they could be thin, fat, doesn't matter. I mean, the biggest superstars of our country, the three Khans, aren't that tall.
Yeah.
And they worked with all actresses, and it didn't matter if they're tall or short.
Yeah, height doesn't matter.
Height doesn't matter.
And finally, क्योंकि audience हमारी family के बारे में जानना चाहते, they love knowing about obviously, a little bit of, how we all are. तो मैं आपको कुछ फर्जी award categories दूंगी, and you have to say who in the family basically deserve it.
ठीक है.
सबसे बड़ा foodie.
I would probably say Chimpu Chacha. He was a foodie, and Arman.
Arman, I was just going to say Arman.
Arman and Reema.
I believe at
Reema.
Siddharth and Kiara's wedding, he has eaten so much, you have no
Possible.
idea.
But Reema Bua.
Reema. But I feel Arman is really...
हाँ, Reema, Arman and Chimpu Chacha.
हमेशा late. You.
No, for me, time is very important. I'm always on time. But Hamesha late, I would say, are you good with time?
I'm good with time.
Yeah, I think everybody respects time in our family. I don't know how Shami Kapoor and Shashi Kapoor and Raj Kapoor. Raj Kapoor actually is the first person in the film industry who started the 2 to 2 shift because
he wanted
to really kind of be inspired by his movies and sleep late. So he started the 2 o'clock shift, the 2 p.m. shift. I mean, I've heard these stories from a lot of people.
2 to 2.
So I would say that probably he was not really on time.
On time. I'm not asking this next one because मुझे पता है ये answer क्या है.
I want to know.
And
say na.
We both are allowed to answer this. I know the answer.
Say,
Gossip monger.
I think Bebo, you and me have this bad reputation, I think it's because of Karan. He got very lonely and jealous because everybody was blaming him, and he wanted some company, so he started using our names.
Yeah, I think so. No?
The thing is,
clarify this.
The thing is, you and me are very interested about what's happening in the film industry,
Yeah.
what movies are happening.
Yeah.
Because we are fans. We are
just
fans.
want to know.
We want to know. But I think gossip would be. Let's give it to Reema Bua.
Poor thing. I mean, okay, fine. Yeah, she likes to collect.
Yeah.
Na?
So it's not you and me.
No. सबसे बड़ा लड़ाकू.
सबसे बड़ा लड़ाकू. I think it would be Papa. Like he
used to fire people.
He used to fire people a lot. So I would say him.
The pushover.
I think Ritu Bua was someone who was really sweet and docile and somebody who really was selfless.
Selfless. And now I think it would be Lolo.
Lolo and Tashu.
And Tashu. All three of them were they're pretty similar.
Yeah.
So on the contrary to popular belief, लोग कहते थे कि जब शादी हो जाती है, especially जब heroines की शादी हो जाती है, तो उनकी career खत्म हो जाता है. So what do you think is,
I think it's such a stupid,
this change?
dated concept. I mean, you've also been the torchbearer of this. You've had such an illustrious, amazing career. You got married, you had children at your own terms, at your peak, and you never left your peak. You're still at your peak. And I think that's something which is a great example. I know that Alia looks up to you, when she was getting into this part of her life, about marriage and child. And she always, was very inspired by how you have balanced your professional life and personal life. I think you guys are all, disruptors of all these old age concepts and thoughts, and which is great.
Ranbir, सारे celeb parents चाहते हैं that of course their children lead a completely normal life away from the paparazzi culture. So how do you and Alia believe that you're going to deal with this?
We definitely don't want to sit on this high castle and say that, oh, ye mat karo, wo mat karo. We understand that we both are actors, and there is a certain level of interest that comes the fact that you're actors, that people want to, get you photographed. When Taimur was born, the kind of attention that the media tilted towards Taimur was unbelievable. We've never seen that ever. I don't think any industry has ever seen that. A child gets so much of attention. So as parents, we'll just try and protect it as much as we can. It's not something that, it's not a do and die situation. Like we said, we just want for her to have a normal upbringing. The fact to go to school, not make her feel too, special around, different children. And she should just have a normal life. So just Just that, other than that, there's nothing, there's no rule or there is no like, oh no, we want it this way. Raha should not grow up after 4-5 years and say that, why are they not kicking me?
No, that I don't think,
Like,
that
she
is
should
not
not be
going to
saying that
happen.
also.
That is not going to happen.
Yeah.
But this is the right approach
Yeah.
because,
What
of
if she
course,
comes one day and says, see how much Jay and Taimur get clicked? मेरे तो कोई photos ही नहीं ले रहा.
ऐसे तो होगा नहीं.
हाँ.
But in fact, Saif और हमने भी decide किया था कि actually we're just going to be like, just go with the flow.
Yeah.
But there's always that thing, हाँ, इसकी बेटी है, उसका बेटा. There's always that I.
But did you ever get dragged in school and all?
No.
You didn't. I did. Like I got bullied. I got.
But bullied? Why would you get bullied?
Sometimes being an actor's son, your seniors, sometimes they bully you because you are like a soft target. But I think somewhere that also kind of hardens you. That also kind of prepares you for the world. I think it was a blessing only. I don't see it as, oh, I'm tormented by the fact that I was bullied.
No, of course.
But I was bullied being an actor's son in school for sure.
Fans का एक सवाल है कि what is that moment के जहाँ तुम्हें आलिया से वो feeling आई कि I'm ready for दाल चावल now?
Actually, मेरी फिल्म का डायलॉग है जवानी है दीवानी के लाइफ में थोड़ा टंगड़ी कबाब चिकन हाका नूडल चाहिए नॉट बोरिंग लाइक दाल चावल बट देन आई रियलाइज विद एज एंड दुनियादारी कि दाल चावल से बेटर तो कुछ है ही नहीं.
I like the whole the comparison.
Exactly.
I like it.
So it came from that idea. ऐसा कुछ मोमेंट नहीं था कि मैंने उसे दूर से देखा उसने मुझे दूर से देखा.
और वो high speed वाले shots.
We got to know each other through Brahmastra, and of course we've known each other before the film also, but it very naturally happened. I guess it happened with you and Saif that way also. You all met on a movie or you all met?
Same Tashan.
Tashan, no?
Yeah.
I mean, there's a disadvantage with actors is that we don't really meet people.
Yeah.
The only people we meet are on a film
we're
set.
working with.
So that's why so many actors get married to actresses and inside within the industry. तो हमारा भी ऐसे ही था. It was a very natural.
हमारे family में काफी वो है.
हाँ.
Our family is married here. They're related to the Bachchans. We're like, it's all.
Shami Kapoor married his co-star. Shashi Kapoor married his co-star. Your father married his co-star. My father married his co-star. और कौन है? You married your co-star. I married your
uncle
co-star.
also married Jennifer.
Shashi Dadaji. Yeah. Everybody married their co-star.
Yeah. Okay, so now Ranbir, of course, we know each other really well. But on this part of the show, the moment you've been waiting for, you get to ask me just one question.
Any question.
Any question that you want. एक ही question जानने का, of course, you get that lovely honor.
But would you answer my question honestly?
Depends what it is.
Then how? If you're asking me to just ask one question,
this is my show. I'm the host.
Yeah, but still, because the guests are always very respected. The guest who comes on your show,
and so is the host respected.
Of course,
so
I respect you a lot, Bebo, like too much. So let me ask you a film question. During Jab We Met, when the film released and when you all were shooting the film, did you know what kind of a special film you're going to be part of and you're going to do such a performance which till today is going to be one of the greatest performances ever? Like, were you aware of it?
Not at all, because I was in this whole zone of...
You mentioned you were doing Tashan that time.
Yeah, and I was like in this whole zone of getting size zero and that, I'm working like in Tashan with like Akshay and Anil Ji and Saif and I'm like, I've got the main part and it's like a Yash Raj film. And I'm doing action for the first time. And whenever I used to come on Jab We Met set, it would be like, please, I need to train because, I'm going for action training. I'm going for this training. I want to, I never thought that the reverse situation actually happened. I had all my bets on Tashan.
So well done. I would like to give you the Radio Mirchi Award for Jab We Met.
Yeah, this is, thank you so much. Wow. So before I let you go, we must take a selfie in what is Bebo's favorite mirror because like you have to take a Bebo selfie in the mirror.
Oh. Bebo, I think you should say that iconic line before we take the selfie.
Oh God.
Do it. Say it.
तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो. Thank you so much, Ranbir.
Thank you, Bebo. I hope the next time we can work together on a film set. It's a privilege.
Well, that's it from me today on Dabur Vita What Women Want, the complete health drink for 7 vital growth needs. Until next time, ta-ta. To watch more episodes of What Women Want, click here.